Hello, I'm Craig and I'll be your tutor on the 1-hour workshop which is called Making the Most of Microsoft Word and Word Online's, looking at the built-in tools to support learners with literacy difficulties. So if you're wondering what the workshop is about, well, we often say in assistive technology that small changes can make a big difference. And many pupils across Scotland are using Microsoft Word for a range of activities, including reading and writing, and of course on various devices. So this workshop will explain and demonstrate how to make small and simple adjustments that are often overlooked to support literacy. So things like personalising Word to meet diverse needs. I'll show you some nifty keyboard shortcuts, show you where to find the grammar and spelling support, word prediction, which is great, dictate and transcribe, the popular read aloud, looking at Word on an iPad, and I'll be signposting you to some free resources, and if there's time, we'll create a custom toolbar, and of course, hopefully much more. So I'll also be showing you some hints and tips on the built-in and free tools. So show text suggestions, and there's my study bar, which is quite useful, and of course Microsoft Editor, which is a great spelling support. I'll signpost you as well to some free resources, posters, videos, and much more. The workshop is recorded so you can watch it at your leisure. And you get a certificate to evidence professional learning. Yay! What can be better than that? And high quality learning for only £30 per person. And you can find us at scotland.org.uk/training. Thanks for watching, and I hope you book the course. Bye.